Welcome to the Continuous Improvement Planning Overview. This course is designed to provide you with an overview, an introduction to the process as a whole. Additional modules are being developed which will visit each phase in greater depth. You are watching the navigation video, which means you successfully made it to the first page of the overview, the Start Here homepage. This page contains information about the course. You can learn about your facilitator, the objectives, course activities, along with other explanations. The navigation panel for the course is to the left. The Course Materials section is where the links are for the course folders, Q&A, and resources. The Q&A is the question and answer board, a place where you can ask your questions, and the facilitator and possibly another classmate will respond to your question. The resources link will take you to all of the resources used to create this course. We now go to the course folders. The course folders contain the learning modules for the overview. The first activity will be the pre-course reflection, an opportunity for you to see what you already know about the continuous improvement planning process. Let's take a look at a learning module and the learning engagements found within. Each module contains a variety of learning engagements, ranging from readings to graphics, videos, as well as a point of reflection for each module. Start at the top of each module and work your way down through the various activities. Once finished, you can move on to the next module. One type of learning engagement, identified by this symbol in the red circle, is opened by clicking the title next to it. Once you click the title, the learning engagement will open in a new window. You can choose to open the window to full screen by clicking the box in the upper right corner. To move forward to the next slide within the learning engagement, click Next, found in the lower right hand of the engagement window. When it is Check Your Knowledge activity, click Submit, and once you have answered the question, you then will be able to move forward to the next slide. To close the learning engagement completely, click on the X in the upper right-hand corner of the learning engagements window. This will return you back to Blackboard. Another engagement is the question and answer board, the Q&A. This is where you post questions about the continuous improvement plan process for the facilitator. Remember to check the question and answer board throughout the course to watch for the other questions. Possibly there'd be a question you had as well or hadn't thought of. Another section to check is the announcements board, for any announcements or information your facilitator shares with you throughout the time of the course. Keep in mind, this course is an overview of the continuous improvement planning process. The goal of this overview is for you will find something you had not thought of or jog your memory. It is time to check your own program's planning process. Please close out of this video to continue with the continuous improvement planning overview.